guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing family mail again. Yes, again. One quick thing though, if you don't like watching family mail or if it triggers you, please don't watch. This is just friend mail, and if for some odd reason you don't like that, please don't watch. There's been like a lot of thumbs down lately for family mails, and honestly, if you're thumbs down a video because of something that someone got that makes them happy, then you're really not the kind of subscriber that I want personally. I mean, jealousy is unbecoming, and that's just not the kind of people that I want to surround myself with. So, on that note, if you do want to see what I got, then stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. Today I am doing family mail, and I got family mail from two people, and the first one up is Chrissy, and Chrissy does not have a YouTube channel. She actually does Instagram. She posts a lot of really cool pictures. She has giveaways like BoxyCharm, so check her out. It's under Chrissy 83XO, and I believe that's it. If not, it'll be right here anyway, right there. So make sure you definitely check her out. Now, on to the video. Okay, the first thing I got from her is this BH Cosmetics. It is one of them color changing sponges that I can never get open. Okay, I'm not going to try to open it because I'm not breaking it now. Anyway, it's just a color changing sponge, which is like really cool. I need one of these so bad. And the next two things are these little concealers. These are for in my kit. This one is dark, and this one is a light medium. Those are pretty cool. And the next thing is the Flawless Brow Trio, which is pretty cool. It has like this little thing in there. Brush, like through the colors, which is really pretty. Also has like a little mirror, which is also like really convenient and pretty. And let's do these next. She also sent me MAC lipstick. I have that put away, but she also sent me the MAC lipstick. And she sent me these brushes. I've been wanting one of these big fluffy fan brushes. I can never find them. So she sent me one, which I think is really cool. I really want one of these. Because I have like the thin little ones, but I don't have a big one. And then like a really nice like blush brush. I love these. These are like super cool. Okay, and the final thing is, actually, it's not the final thing. The next thing is a face mask, and this thing is awesome. She also sent me one of these before, and I didn't want to use it. I was like, special occasion, because I really want to save it. So she sent me another one. So I used the first one, and this one is freaking awesome. It like makes your skin so smooth, like before you put on your foundation and stuff. Like it's really cool. And then the final thing is the 5th edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. I've used a couple of these colors so far, but like these are like super cool. Let's see all those. Lots and lots of pinks and all different colors in there. So I really, really, really like that. Also want to get the first edition that has like the rainbow colors in it. I've been like really, really, really wanting a rainbow palette, like with all the colors of the rainbow. But again, guys, Chrissy's information will be in the description below for Instagram. And again, please go check her out. Like, she's awesome. She's super sweet. She's a great supporter. Like, she's just totally awesome. Like, you just have no idea. Like, I love Chrissy. Like, she is freaking amazing. Like, I talk to her every single day. Like, she's amazing. Quite a few times a day. Okay. And the next family mail that I got was from Nicole, in which Nicole sent me this really cool card. It has little poopies, and then it has little eggplants. Nicole loves eggplants. She likes to caress them. They're her favorite, and these are her buddies. She took a picture of them and she sent it to me. And also, another one of her favorites is this peach. She really likes peaches a whole lot. She likes to rub them. She likes the texture of them. And she likes to share with her friends, you know. Just lets us know how much she loves them. And then she wrote me, like, little messages on the side. And it just says, here you go, Jessica, your favorites all together. And the other one's just hush hush mail. But I like to keep this right up here, because when Nicole comes to my lives, I like to make her feel comfortable so she can see, you know, one of her favorite things in the background. Okay, and the other thing I got from Nicole is this Makeup Revolution Chocolate Love palette. It's like a dupe for the Chocolate Bonbon. It's like so pretty. Like so pretty. I love those colors. They're really, really, really nice. I'm not going to do swatches and things because I'm sure that you guys probably have seen some of these palettes. I might do like a couple. The next thing is this Makeup Forever. This is the 9 Artist Shadow. And this is that one. And this is so pretty. I've already been messing with it. But like, look at that. That one. And the purple one. Like, they're like super pretty. That one. Like so pretty. And the next one is another Makeup Revolution palette. And I really wanted this one, but it had been sold out at my Ulta like forever. This is the Rose Gold Chocolate for Makeup Revolution. And again, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Just look at that. Super pretty. And like this color up here, oh my gosh, it's like, I don't even want to do it. I don't even want to swatch it again. It's like gold, rose gold, like glitter. But like these colors are like so freaking pretty. There's some of them. Here's a bronzy color. So pretty. Thank you, Nicole. And the last thing is the Bronze Paradise from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just like, I really like this palette. Like, I really, really do. And this is what it looks like. This blue, like, oh my god, look at that. It's like beautiful. So is this one. It's like just so pretty. But that is the end of my family mail. And Nicole's information also will be in the description below. Again, thank you so much, Chrissy. I really appreciate it. Like, you are the absolute sweetest person in the world. Like, I love our friendship. Like, I'm so glad I met you. I really am. Excuse me. And same with you, Nicole. Believe it or not. I really, really, really appreciate our friendship. I really do. And, like, I absolutely love our friendship. And, again, everybody, descriptions will be... descriptions. Links will be in the description below. Please go check them out if you already haven't. If you haven't, you don't know what you're missing. So, definitely check them out. And I will see you guys next time.